In this video, I will show how to insert a line in Word for resume. So there are some methods you can try and you can use. First method, 3 times dash, press enter like this. And second method, insert and shape, select line and draw your line. Draw line as many as you need. Press and hold shift like this. So this is the second method to draw line for resume. Thanks for watching.